Audi Q5 2015 4-cylinder, misfire cylinder 2. I took the valve off to show you guys how this valve is fucked right up. Look at this. See, it's burned up, man. I don't know which kind of fuel these guys put in the fucking car. But this is how this valve is supposed to look, like this. Look. Like that. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Hey, both sides. I mean, I've seen it, but not in this shape. Usually it will be chipped off from one side, but this is going all the way around. Great. Yeah. Here you go. German engineering up.